My name is Mo from Crypto Thoughts. Before I jump into my review of CyberConnect, you should know that we are not paid or coerced to do any of our reviews. Furthermore, I am not a financial advisor, and this should not be considered as a financial advice. We are just a team of analysts who conduct our research and table our views for educational purposes only. You should always do your own research, and if you are new to this channel, then you may want to hit that subscribe button for the latest crypto analysis and reviews. So without further prolongation, let's get started. The project overview. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick look at the official CyberConnect website, available at cyberconnect.me. As you can see, the site is beautifully designed and user-friendly, offering comprehensive information about the project, from their white paper to their team and the technology behind it. It is all here. Understanding the vision. CyberConnect envisions a world where decentralized networks are not only efficient, but also highly secure. They are focusing on creating a global ecosystem that empowers users to providing them with control over their digital interactions. The project is built on advanced technologies such as blockchain and distributed ledger, ensuring transparency, immutability, and data integrity. This is a significant step towards reducing trust barriers in the digital world. Token allocation and utility. Now, let's talk about the token allocation for CyberConnect. As outlined in documentation at docs.cyberconnect.me, the tokenomics strategy is designed to support the project's growth and sustainability. A portion of the tokens goes towards development, partnerships, community incentives, and more. Community engagement. One aspect that sets CyberConnect apart is its strong emphasis on community engagement. They are actively involving their community in the decision-making process, fostering a sense of ownership and, of course, participation, roadmap, and future plans. Curious about what is in store for CyberConnect's future, the roadmap on the website gives us a sneak peek into their upcoming milestones. From testnet launches to protocol enhancements, it's all laid out. The final thoughts. CyberConnect holds promise as a groundbreaking project that could reshape the way we view decentralized networks. With their strong technology foundation, community-driven approach, and transparent token allocation strategy, they are undoubtedly on the right track. And there you have it, our comprehensive review of CyberConnect. Be sure to check out the official website at cyberconnect.me for more details. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech insights. Thanks for joining me today, and remember, the future of decentralized networks might just be around the corner with CyberConnect. Until next time, stay tech savvy. Thank you.